Okay, welcome to the next video in our categorical logic section of Philosophy 1290 with Phil Veltos. In this video we're going to have a little bit different working format because we need to do some demonstrations, and so I think I've got a way that's going to work here. You'll have to let me know if you think so. So our goal here really is to take those diagrams I showed you right at the beginning of this section of the course and map them onto arguments. So we're going to take the two circle diagrams that we learned a while ago and learn how to draw three circle diagrams for arguments, and then we're going to use those three circle diagrams to test validity of arguments. So I thought it would be useful to first of all start by reminding ourselves what these diagrams look like. So these are the two circle diagrams. Remember, we have four standard form statements, and so we have four standard two circle diagrams. So for the A form statement, we're going to draw two circles roughly intersecting like that. And then we're going to say, if this is a circle for subjects and this is a circle for predicates, when we represent all subject or predicates, we empty by squiggling the portion of the circle S that is outside P. Notice that nothing can exist where it's scribbled, so if there is an S, it must be in the circle P. The E form statement, no subjects or predicates, is empty in the intersection. There is no S that is also a P. So there could be S's, there could be P's, but there's nothing that is both. So far, so good. Now we need to do the I form statement. Some subjects are predicates, and for S and P, we have to make an X. That is, there's at least one S that is also a P. That diagram isn't super clear because I didn't overlap enough. That's what we're looking for. And then the last one, some subjects are not predicates. We want at least one S that is not a P. So it's got to be outside the circle P, but inside the circle S. There it is. Okay, now we're going to keep this sheet here handy as we work through the rest of this material. Now, how do we take a two-circle diagram and make it a three-circle diagram? Well, remember, in our theory of the categorical syllogisms, we had two premises, one conclusion, and we had three terms, each occurring twice. So we've got felines twice, cats twice, and mammals twice. In effect, we're going to represent each of those three categories with a single circle. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to write three overlapping circles like this. And we're going to have one above and two below. And now we're going to relate these terms in this argument to this diagram. So we're going to take cats, the minor term, occurs as the subject of the conclusion, and we're going to relate it to this circle here. So we're going to call that cats. We're going to take mammals and relate it to this circle here. And the middle term felines is going to stay up on top. So we have the middle term above, the subject term on the bottom left, the predicate term on the bottom right. And now we are going to diagram. So we're basically now going to take these two circle diagrams that we worked up a moment ago and transfer them onto this three circle diagram. So maybe we'll, up above here, remind ourselves